like somebody like Buhari, after another 4 years, 8 years in presidency, we give Igbos power. Nobody else will do that.
Anytime nobody is able to this DSS detention. If you come across my video, please and please, if Rundi Igbo na Barambo up and down, you go back and Igbo for years. He knew me for book whether I in and amma. Direct one didn't Igbo, mother without money and without price. Nobody pay you. He they make Igbo borrow a new nation. Man, if Rundi in America, how I want to dying for? How I want to anybody dying for them? I want to hate anybody dying for Igbo. Even Jesus Christ, I want to hate die for Igbo. Yes. All but no they me put now what over London, now what over Germany, go and face your family. Face your beautiful wife. Now win an award, but say I know win an award. You just face over life because Nandi Igbo need as a whole. I want to hate anybody dying for them. Yes. I want to hate anybody dying for them. Ojuku the resources in there where no no may even in the lose all property in Lagos. Till today, all Igbo, if Ajuna, bring betray para that Ojuku are. Owa, Nandi Azikiwe, they can betray go Juku, one with the Rogo for no way, Wogisi, Nandi will marry. One Nandi Azikiwe, Anambra State, Coronel, Nefe flag, then one Nigeria, on Nandi Azikiwe today, probably. So now, Mumbodi Jipotana, one London. Go and face your family. Igbo does not worth dying for. Yes. And I want to die for. The only language an average Igbo man understands vividly, perfectly, effectively. Bogene, na akuri hanu no na Abuja ba. Koya na Sokoto ba. Kuri ono na Sabongeri ba. Koya na Lagos doru na ba. That is when an average Igbo man will wake up. We'll say, enough is enough. But as long as you have never touched an Igbo man property anywhere across the globe, they are much comfortable being a slave, living in their own father's land. That is why somebody like Honorable, the ex-governor of Ebonyi State, Dave Umahi, will wake up one day Ebonyi that Nandi Igbo does not want anything like a president. Nandi Igbo does not deserve anything president, even the vice and the president. Nandi Igbo deserve her that na Ebonyi will reject obedience, this and that. Na honey na they go batified. Because I don't like slavery. I don't like no, even in our own alumni. That's why somebody like governor of Imo State, who was we wake up early in the morning and tell everybody that Nandi money na they go batify. The only time when Igbo man will become president is when a Igbo man become a Muslim. Because Nigeria is a Muslim state. Forget if Nigeria is a Christian state. Nigeria is not a Christian state. Nigeria be a Muslim state. Because I'm not a Muslim state. Ticket is Muslim. It's working in Nigeria. Right from Igbo till now. President Nacha is Muslim. Good luck, Jonathan, that's supposed to Chiranya Basia. He doesn't even strong. Nigeria is a Muslim state. How they declare here, within ourselves. If Nigeria is not a Muslim state, all our currency should have been written in the English language. But all our currency are written in Arabic. So what basis is a Christian state? If it is a Christian state, it's supposed to be written in English language. But it's not a Christian state. Our currency from 1 naira till 100, 1,000 naira, they are all written in Arabic, which means I am a Muslim state. What are you not telling me? That is why somebody like Wike will wake up in the morning and tell you that everybody, they are all batified. And like Hebrews, we only become king in our various places of business. So say once you give an Igbo man a plot of land, tell him to develop this place, that this place is yours, or you can be given this place for 50 years lease. Igbo man is comfortable. Give him money and give him a land to build and develop. What they need is the only their language they understand so much is money. And we quickly forget because we are very good in forgetfulness. I don't forget if I say so. We forget that during the time of election, during the time of President Muhammad Buhari, that our brother engineer come publicly and assure Ndibo that after the President Muhammad Buhari, that he is the one, after his first tenure and second tenure, that he is the one that is going to give us presidency. That Buhari is the one that will give Ndibo presidency, and we should vote for him. The record is there. And everybody, we gather together and do God. I voted Buhari. And after Buhari tenure elapses, Guinea government or to whatever ticket, never his fellow brother Bukagene or a Muslim. So a Christian man or even Onibo cannot become president of this country unless you are a Muslim. Unless you are a Muslim. So now they can do. This is not, I know my advice might not go to anywhere, but Obuniga fire at least all the things I have said now. Pick one word. Now that Nandi was not worth dying for. The same thing you are doing now, Wazurike did it. Gidi mere. Because the people you are fighting for them to be better, Dubai, small London, they don't want dying for. Why in Atana Bundi Bonobi, Hana Tana Pogananya? At the critical time when you feel now everybody are now go in unity. The problem an Igbo man is facing today is united. Yoruba are well united. Hausa man, the well united. And average Igbo man, they are not united. I mean, they talk about Jpac says that Igbo are not united. And we are not ready. If we are united, everybody would have joined together and endorsed Mr. Peter Obi. But because we are not united, even the Peter Obi, are doing okay. Everybody should join hands together, bring out an Igbo man who trust. Go and try your luck. Man, whenever an Igbo man come out to become presidency, or every other state, if an Anambra man come out to contest for position of the presidency, an Igbo man will fight him. Ebonyi man will fight him. Abia man will fight him. Enugu man will fight him. If Enugu man eventually dream of becoming president, coming for position of president, Anambra man will fight him. Enugu will, even his fellow Enugu man will fight him. But in all the rest of the state and the Port Harcourt and Ogoni and Bayelsa, everybody will fight him. So everybody in the Igbo does not have we don't like bowing for anybody. But that is why you got from 2-3 years or so now. What you gonna like about money? That is why somebody like Yese Wike will come out publicly and tell you that he's not an Igbo man. But he named all his 3 children Igbo name. Everybody. So Ndi Igbo had made die for Hapuani. The only language Ndi Igbo will feel in time come. Beginning Ndi Igbo ya more boy. I need the Baranda boy. I need the Baranda boy for more 40 years. I'm going to say 40 years in captivity. Unugana good say that 40 years, not that captivity. Unugana good 0 until body the hearts. A very dark man said you gonna learn. You gonna learn in hard way. When nobody learn, but say in hard way. Wherefore now he hit Ojuko that I may fail. It was looking about may fail. You haven't done the car. I make you an abagamba. Even if you give up tomorrow, another person will come up, and even another person come up, they will still fail. Or what on you but I like his support one day. Wherever you say in state, how do you expect that Onyama will come and support you? How do you expect that Onyimo will come and support you? How do you expect that Oje Ebonyi will come and support you? In a mess, Onyanu will have support of it. Everybody they feel that if you come out today, you will declare and become the first president of state of Biafra. This and that, this and that. So everybody may get say what talk about so. When you come out from this mess, go to London, go for medication, treat yourself, embrace your wife, clip to your wife, get a the remaining life for Nandi what or dying for. I want to die for, and I cannot come and die for any Igbo man. Because when you are trying to become sent in Igbo land to please your people, to fight for your people, they will all, many of them will connive at your back. Suohimi. Or Nelson Mandela will end the Suohimi. South Africa wouldn't have been able on Okata. Mana, they united together. Chuo ndocha, chufu ndocha, chuo hobe dana. Onye mere anyị ife a, onye mere anyị this thing. Afụfụ na ata today. Bụ ya na mbara aka ọsụrụ ya. Ọ bụrụ na agwọ onwu na eziokwu afụfụ na ata today. Bụ ya na mbara aka ọsụrụ ya. Ọ Nnamdi Azikiwe. Careful na the spirit of Igbo, the very hard. Since that time, when a family of Nnamdi Azikiwe next smell any political position in Nigeria. Mono hang with the independent. Family have only easy with the independent. Na Nigeria. Family have gone easy back and say one Nigeria, one Nigeria. One Nnamdi Azikiwe with the flag. My father is still alive. According to the history. One Nigeria, one Nigeria, one Nigeria, one Nigeria. And when he died, Ojukwu came to his grave where said one Nigeria and one. Fight, I don't know, Madi. Namu, take care of yourself anytime you come out. Take care of your wife. Take care of your children. They need you so much. They want to feel you as daddy. They want to feel that daddy in you. Kahadendo foge, Nande na barambo does not want it. Yes.